हां अटॅक केले तो आता मनीस खंय एक्सपायर्ड सध्या खंय बॉडी धाडला तेजी हॉस्पिटल केन्ना जाले सर
अराउंड आमकां कॉल येयलो 4:30.
ओके सो बुल वॉज वायलंट आणि त्याचो केअरटेकर नाव कितें तेजे डिसीजाचे महबूब म्हणून राहिलेले आसा व्हॉट एक्झॅक्टली इज द इशू
We've received this information regarding one person being attacked by bull. When I reached here, I've been informed that the body has been already shifted to the morgue. So basically, it looks like while he had got the bull for bruising, it might have attacked him, and he was found lying in the water here. You can see the place around. So we have registered a case of unnatural death.
प्योर एक्सीडेंट
Yes. आता आमकां पावसाळ्यान कितें खबर मेळ्ळी ताजे बैलान कोण दिवलाचे कोण मनशाची तो माल मागीर आमी गेल्ले थिंगा हॉस्पिटलाक तांकां एक्सपायर्ड जालें सांगपा लागले मागीर आतां पुलीस बाय सायडीक पंचनामा बी कोताले आनी तो बैल असो